Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how I will style this wig from doubleleafwig.com. This is how the wig came. You can see I will be using their 316 lace wig, 100% human hair. I will be using their 24 inches of body wave. The wig is 360 bleached knot. You can see they bleached the knots at the front. Came with the combs, 2 at the side, 1 at the front, and then 1 at the back. It also came with adjustable straps, which is very nice. And then what I will do now is just to go ahead and then cut off the excess lace. And there you can see the front is also pre-plucked. I went ahead and cut off the excess lace and I sewed in an elastic band to the wig. I already have a video on how I sew my elastic band. I will link one video in the description box below. I will just place the wig on my head, use the adjustable straps to secure it on my head. And you can see the density of this wig is 250. And then you can see the fullness. I will go ahead and dab in my concealer, the color, my skin color concealer on the lace at the front so that the lace will match my forehead. We dab in on the excess lace at the front. I would advise you, if you are to cut off excess lace on your wigs, make sure to leave a little bit of extra lace at the front to avoid shedding. And you can see the excess lace I left at the front is the one I am dabbing in the concealer. I will clean up my forehead a little bit just because of the concealer. If you have to apply this got2b glue spray, make sure that you are not having makeup on your forehead. I will spray in the got2b glue spray. I am trying to avoid using glue on my forehead just because I'm trying to grow my edges more. Gluing down lace wig, especially using glue, is not that good on your edge, and my edge is very sensitive. Is the reason why I'm using only the spray, not applying the glue gel. And I will just try to style. Apply mousse. Put the got2b glue spray. The wig was unshakable. It secured the wig. I'll just try to style it to my own desire, like as I want. And just like create side parts. Use gel to lay down a little bit of baby hairs. Apply foundation on the part, and then this is the look. You can see, even though I did use got2b glue gel, the wig stays intact. And then I want you to know that this wig is from doubleleafwig.com. This is their body wave, 250 density, 24 inches, lace color medium brown, hairline pre-plucked, and the bleached knot at the front is bleached. The hair is very pretty, soft. The softness of this hair, oh my gosh, is unbelievable. You will not understand. I like the hair, I like the fullness. If you are to order from them, I think they are also having discount of 50% off if you order from Doubleleafwig. 15th anniversary this month. I would advise you to just grab nice wig from them if you are looking for affordable wig. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed filming it, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.